Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about Mastery IM Academy. What it is, first, the company will teach you how to make money to earn a good, affordable living and achieve financial freedom in the long run. First thing we'll do is, okay, what's the company about? Company want to build better lives, give meaning and purposes to people, and give people find happiness. First, they educate you on what to do, empower you, and give you lots of knowledge. It'll teach you like about financial literacy, human trafficking, animal protection, saving children. The founder is Christopher Terry and Isis de la Torre. They have teach a lot of people. It's sign up and it's easy. It's 100% free, and they have different enrollment programs. First thing they do is enrollment. They charge you $324 for Elite Academy. I'll provide some information down below on their prices and everything. Okay, they teach you about financial market, how to trade on forex, stocks, option, and so forth. And then after the enrollment fee, you have to pay $274.95 monthly. That's their Elite Academy. So yeah. They're based in New York and they have a phone number. And let's see their sales and refunds, what they offer. Okay, you only got 7 days for refund, money back guarantee. If you don't like their services or something, and it includes on the gold or platinum packages, you got you got to first thing you got to do is email them that you want to close your account. Okay, they don't offer refunds on Bitcoin payments. Okay. So you can purchase with like PayPal or something. So you'll get refunded in PayPal or your credit card. Okay, they provide some information. They have a phone number, email, and their address. So you gotta tell them. So we're trying to make a website. Independent much. They say they have an affiliate program, but I don't see it. So doesn't look like they have an affiliate program. Okay. They have some strategies. First, they educate you about the forex market, how to read charts, how when to buy, when to sell, and give you a lot of indicators. You can also download the forex.com app on the app, or you can trade on the computer. Trade on the computer is more safe because you got security protection. On the phone is not less secure. Okay. How to get started? First thing is sign up, quick and easy. They give you the Elite Academy, they have the Forex Academy, Hedge Fund Academy, and all these other academies will be. They have the enrollment fee. Each one has different pricing. You get one-on-one mentorship live, and they'll teach you about commodities. So HFX taught about commodity, bonds, currencies. Okay, FRX talk about forex, how to trade in mostly just currency. DCX trades in, let's see, those are for veterans, people who mastered their first original, like membership. They start from elite. and you go all the way to IBO, you pretty much get like this is talk about digital currency, how to trade with digital currency like bitcoins. Okay, ECX is to be announced in 2020. So wait for the update. Okay, IBO Academy. So far they have it, but they only give you the price. This is coming in 2020. So it's coming, so I don't know, summer 2020, but it may come August, a little bit late. Okay, is it a scam or not? No, pretty much not a scam. They have the founder's name. Their website called ironmarketlive.com. It's that's the older name. The new name now is called im.academy. So that was the old name. So after they have the story about the company, people say he has a bad reputation on the website. Maybe an answer to say if it is a scam, but nobody knows if it's a scam or not. Someone did a research about it. There's not much information about him when you look up the wiki. And after consider, I found a Decoy website. He found some information about the person. He found like he started and began this company. First, he started trade. He got into forex. He put his own money in. Before he was a full-time trader, so he has some background in financial to make it 100% legit. He traded with his own money and quit his original job. He started in 2001 and then do conferences like public speaking. He founded the company in 2013, so it's a 7-year company. It's an MLM company. Okay, MLM is a company that help advertise for businesses. They have a Facebook account, I know, because I signed up for it. You recruit people, you get 35% commission. I've done it before. Okay, first thing they said. Okay, now they describe their business model. They offer trading school. They'll tell you how to market. They do. MLM do marketing. What's good and bad about the company? Good is you have a lot of tools to help you trade. You have professionals that teach you through webinars how to trade. They build teams, and you'll make weekly income. The, the bad news is it's very expensive for beginners. So, first thing I advise everybody to do is go on Amazon, buy a book on a famous person who's do forex training. Here's one for example: Tony Hansen, who's a female. She's a good trader. Raghi is the second trader. And you also can do, let's see. Then that's about it. Those are the you can buy a book on. Let's say if you want to learn how to trade stocks, you do Warren Buffett will be a good example. Forex, you can do George Soros, the guy who's famous in history for destroying a bankrupt 100-year-old bank in England. That's a famous story. So far, people have not said anything bad about the company. It's not a scam so far, so they have a YouTube video, and that's pretty much it about them. But they're a little bit pricey, so if you want to do a start free trading, go forex.com, download on the website. They offer you free trading. They give you like $1,000 virtual money. And it's best to trade when Euro US Monday through Friday. If you want to do England trading, you gotta wake up like 2 in the morning to about 6 a.m. Those are the best time to trade. I do have I do have a Forex account. I do have some trading. I made about like $500 in overnight just for you can set the trade how when you want to enter. You can buy right now and then set when you want to sell, and then after and you check next morning and check your sales, you made a profit. I made a profit of $500 just only for 3 or 4 hours worth of work. Okay, when you want to trade, you first thing you gotta know, consideration always important. You always gotta know the news for the day. If there's any bad news, that can cause the market to sell, but that's an advantage. You can also sell when this, let's say bad news came, right? You can make profit in both buying and selling. But if it's bad news, it's good for selling. You can set what you want to sell it for and how many it usually takes about like an hour or two to drop very big. You do 1 minute trade, 5 minute trade, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour trading. Depends on your preference. If it's good news, buy low, sell high, which is a basic fundamental technique. Okay. The company also advertises on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It is available in every single language, so it should be. Okay, let's see what some strategies. They have harmonic strategy, swift trade strategy, swipe coin. I think it's about digital currency. Vibrata, gold cup levels, and always set stop losses to reduce the amount of money you lose on the market. For commodity trading, it's best to do short term because you don't know when let's say you want to trade corn, right? Right now, corn is in season in the summer, and it's best time to buy corn, and you can sell it like with, let's say, the most you can do like the most you can do is like 1 week, 2 week, 3, 4. Don't go more than 1 month because you don't know, the market can always fluctuate. So trade for like 1 week. Okay, you bought $1,000 worth of corn, right? Later the market jumped up about triple your money, $3,000. First thing, call your broker for commodity broker, and then say you want to sell it like already at this price, right? The market still continues to run, and then it takes about 5 minutes to enter the information. Once it hits submit, it's sent into the market. Okay, you sell it at $5,000 or $6,000, which you said sell at $3,000, but you get money for it because because when you enter into the market can always go up or go down. If it goes up and you just sold it, you made a profit of $6,000. You invest only by 1,000, make 6,000. That's 6 times the income. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys next time.